welcome back to another reaction. Guys, by the time we're gonna be reacting to Skillibeng Bang 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 Crocodile Teeth official music video. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Spam that in the comment section, man. If you guys are new, comment down below.
Well, keep your condiments to themselves.
What's wrong with you, man? This is a banger video right here. This is a banger. Skillibeng. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Alright,
if you guys are new, let me finish talking before you jump into it.
Well, hurry
Let
up.
me finish talking before you jump into it, okay?
I thought you was done.
Man, am I done? Did I say when I was done?
Yep.
Okay. As I was saying, make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you guys are new, comment down below. Keep supporting us. We appreciate the love from all you guys who are supporting us. Now I'm done.
Are you sure?
You have the green light to start the video so we can get along with the day. The family are waiting for us. Let's go. Help on your ugly drunk or your... Let's start the video. What are you gonna do? You ain't no drunk on me.
I get so confused. I think Skillibeng is that bigger dude. The one who was saying get the bang, but the Bentley, the bar, the
what?
Bentley does. I don't know, babe. The other guy who did that song with Vibes Cartel, the big guy.
Oh, you talking about Squash?
Him.
Oh.
I keep thinking he's Skillibeng.
No, Squash. Six boss. Crocodile teeth.
Boy, if you don't
first thing on my bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile. Everything get fuck when I reach 16 bun of boy skin.
M6 bun of boy skin.
Say your bad pussy all run up and see.
Oh, you say you bad, run up and see. That's what that is, right?
Yeah, M16 bun up boy skin. M16 is like a gun.
What you say M16 it? 16 bun up boy skin?
Where's it at? Yeah, 16 bun up boy skin, M16, whatever, same thing.
Head top bust up and split. He gonna shoot him in the head?
Inside corner rotted, yeah man, I inside. Be a chopstick. You wanna know badness, top striker. Don't ask me.
Wanna know badness, top striker. Go ask him, ask him from the street, you know, we'll get them lesson.
Oh, he said no, ask you what he finna do. Ask somebody on the street. Oh, I need this.
Something like that.
Yeah, kid, be a madness. Play away when you do your car six. See your money clip ram up, you clear now hit you. I'm not doing but I be a talking.
You know but I be a talking like a gunshot in our head.
Jesus Christ.
Never full of gun, every clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach 16 bun of boy skin.
16 bun of boy skin.
Say your bad.
You say your body run up and see. What am I this right there, so? Who is he dissing right there, so?
Who is he dissing right
He said
there?
if you bad, run up and see. Got the 16 bun up on your skin. You following now? I don't know where you at.
I don't either.
But, oh.
This the chorus. He already said this part.
You're stressing me out.
This the chorus part. He already said this up this. I already know what this one's about.
See y'all.
This one we have verse 2 now.
You just skipped the whole session right there.
No, but he said east side. When he got the east side, I know to go up because it's east side.
Okay.
He in middle there.
You say if in the ramp in them brain or anybody in them scheme, shut the fire. I'm not afraid of no boy. You see me?
You see me?
Run the track.
Run the track. Okay.
Shut open your door like key. Don't try this if you don't like bleed. Shut in your clothes like feet.
Don't try this if you don't like to bleed.
Oh, don't try to diss nobody if you don't like to bleed.
Don't try to diss him.
Oh, don't try him if you don't like to bleed.
Yeah, cause the M16 I'll bust up your brain.
Interesting.
Crocodile teeth.
Crocodile
You
teeth.
know,
So what's the crocodile teeth?
teeth dangerous.
Oh.
One bite from a crocodile and I eat that.
Well, I can take a crocodile.
You can who?
Huh?
You can who the who?
Hmm?
Boy, I love you, but a crocodile? There's no shot you surviving a crocodile. No?
But you ain't gonna come get me from a crocodile?
You got somebody got to live to tell the story to the kids. The crocodile gonna take
Yo,
both
he
of
get on
us.
my
He
nerves.
take both of us. Who gonna tell the story?
Bro.
You know what I mean?
He get on my nerves. That's why you set up a camera.
So who gonna stop the camera? Who go? You know what?
You're just gonna keep going till it die.
Yeah, right. Well, somebody find it.
Roll with the key with the nose pinty. This way you don't find him. This is his side and you know crisis. And you don't cool like we.
You don't cool like we.
This way today and I live. Oh, you for try.
This into you now live. So just think before you act.
Your brain now kick. Make your rifle to be a coffin. East side deal with the key and stick. You mean me no range and miss? Gunshot your face in a be a dog shit. What you mean me no play daddy? You say, suck your woman. First thing on my bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything.
Don't tell a Jamaican that.
Hmm?
Don't tell a Jamaican that.
You tell a Jamaican that?
Yeah.
No.
You know why? You know why?
Why?
You already said?
Suck your mama?
Yeah. You don't tell nobody. Don't tell. That's the worst way you can diss somebody. Especially a Jamaican.
So if I go to Jamaica, be like, suck your mama.
Ah, yeah.
You ain't gonna see me?
Huh?
You ain't gonna see me no more?
Who me? Hey, you ain't gonna see me no more, they're gonna kill you or something. It's like, you ain't gonna see me no more?
I wanna know.
You ain't gonna see me no more, they're gonna kill me? But no, that's like a very suck your, this story, suck your mom.
Like, F your mama.
Pretty much. It's very disrespectful, that's the Jamaican stuff.
Cause I saw somebody name mouth, they talk about my mama or my grandma.
Yup, so.
I don't care who you, I'm slapping you in your mouth. You too.
Fuck when I reach 16 bun up boy skin. Head tap bust up and split. Say your back. Me brain side corner rotted. Yeah man I east side.
Oh, this is kill it. No badness. Staying on the lane.
Oh, look at the baby crocodile.
Deadly.
Not the baby.
Deadly.
Oh, that's Clark's.
That's who?
Clark's.
Wait, no, what you said the first time?
Clark's. But I had some in my throat, so I just said it.
I was like,
Clark's.
what?
I said Clark's.
Yeah, that's Clark's.
Clark's.
Don't listen kill it. Run up on our seat.
Don't
The
listen
16 bust up boy brain.
That's the boy brain.
Crocodile teeth.
Crocodile teeth.
So for the most part, you understand?
Yeah, I
a little
understand.
bit
Yeah.
of the song, you know, is a crocodile teeth. I'm assuming crocodile teeth because you know the crocodile is very dangerous. So
Cricket letter I. Cricket letter. Okay. Random moment. I have those a lot.
what?
I don't know.
What is that?
Cricket letter.
What's cricket letter?
You ain't never heard nobody say that?
No.
M-I, cricket letter I. Cricket
I just know.
letter I, humbag I.
What?
It's Mississippi.
Mississippi thing?
You know it's M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-I.
Oh, yeah.
So it say M-I, cricket letters for the S's.
Oh, okay.
And humbag is for the P's.
Oh.
Now you say it.
Huh? Who?
You say it.
Say what?
Say it.
Going back for the P's?
Say M-I.
M-I, quickly look at it. Alright. So guys, respect the video and I said, man, enough of this somebody or not. Comment down below, let us know what he's doing. Or, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, me.
Don't diss him. Okay, get gunshot.
Don't diss him.
Be smart.
Cause you get gunshot.
I'm not afraid of boy. I'm not afraid for shoot boy. But yeah, I get the concept of the song.
Baby,
What?
what you doing? You itching me.
Yeah, I'm not itching my skin. What?
You making me
Elaborate that part for me. Elaborate it for me. Anyways, man, I go ahead and end this video right here. You guys wanted to. It's a more than one of you guys wanted this. What's wrong with you, bro?
I need to ask you that.
It's more than one person that requested this song, so here you go, guys. Oh, yeah, something wrong with you, bro. So if you guys like this reaction, comment down below. Keep coming in other songs you guys want us to do. You know what I'm saying? I know we're not the best. How would I say? The best
reactors.
Reactors. Who said she never smart? Reactors. But hey man, y'all gotta give us credit where credit's due. You know, we're trying. So if you guys like us, you like us. If you don't, then hey man, God bless you. But yeah, comment down below and then we're gonna end this video right here, man. Yes sir. Let's go.
Peace.